Let's test physical AI in a real factory task. Sort these car parts.
I see 4 types of parts and a bin. I'll sort them for you.
No code, no teaching. It understands sort by shape, by size, and plans the best path instantly. This isn't just moving. It's real-time decision-making. Stable, precise, fast. That's productivity. Well done in industry. But what about home? Let's try something harder. Hi, it's Lantern Festival. Make me some tongyan in sweet rice wine soup.
Command received. Analyzing. I see all ingredients ready to do.
How will you cook it?
Retrieved built-in skill. Start executing the process of cooking tongyan.
Can you add some sugar? I want it sweet.
Rock sugar or osmanthus sugar?
Rock sugar, please.
Got it. Adding rock sugar.
It looks good. Is it ready?
Done. Serving now. Tongyan in sweet rice wine soup is ready. Wish you a happy Lantern Festival.